So we are climbing Mount Vesuvius, and there was just a fire like 2-3 days ago. So I'll see how the conditions are here and around the crater. It actually looks like it's gonna rain right now. Check what I found. Tons of rocks to choose from here. I think I'm almost up there. Man, I hope the mountain disrupts this. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut back at the crater. Okay guys, almost there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking for a little bit. And I brought no water either. Very nice.
Siehst du es nicht?
Kannst du ein Bild machen?
Warte.
Okay, du auch? Stellst auf?
Warte, bleibst du, schau nach vorne.
I'm gonna check the steam out.
Aber wo ist das Loch, wo die Lava ist?
Das sieht man nicht, das Loch.
Unter der Erde.
Das ist unter der Erde, ja.
Die Erde bricht so von...
Die Erde bricht auf und dann...
Oh, just a little bit of history. Before there was a crater that was created when Pompeii got wiped out. It was actually like a flat top. Vesuvius was a flat top, and there was a ton of like vegetation on top of it. So clearly that got blown right off because the crater's pretty deep. So I thought that was interesting. I overheard that from a tour guide in Pompeii. So yeah. Well, let's see if there's a better view of the crater. All right. All right, that's pretty good. It's pretty nice. Still have this rock here. I think it looks pretty cool actually. Pretty porous. Yep, and the rain basically cleared up. So that's nice, yeah. It wasn't that long, it was like 10 minutes ago. I had wine for like €2. Pretty cool. I might get that. I don't know. There's also like a vineyard or like some wine tasting for like $300 here, I think. Like at the base of Vesuvius or something. Pretty cool. I don't see any evidence of the fire that happened like 2 weeks ago. They just like reopened like 2-3 days ago. But I don't see any scorch marks really. Maybe I can videotape some. All right. Hopefully it's not too shaky. Oh, something's steaming down there. I'm basically gonna walk the whole trail. Oh, nothing's burnt there. Actually, a lot more people than I thought there would be. Oh, wait a second. I think that got burned over there. Okay, at least I have some evidence behind potentially a clickbaity title. I don't know, to me, that looks pretty scorched. Like maybe Trail 6 or something. Yeah, this seems like this is it. Wow, you can't go to the top really. Well. So I didn't record the transaction like Kurt has, but yeah, this. 13 euro. And I give that to my mom probably. So, right. Yep. I think she would like a bracelet. I think that's the furthest you can see inside the crater, so very nice. Very nice. So basically I came here like a week ago and it was closed because the fire started on the 14th. I mean the 4th, and I came here the 12th and there wasn't like news yet about it really. So I was just stuck in Pompeii for like an hour, which kind of sucks coming from, because my base right now is in Salerno. So it's like an hour and a half bus, and yeah, it wasn't too nice that no buses came for Pompeii and nobody knew about it. There were some other travelers that were going. So after I heard the news about the fire, I looked at it. Last time it was like 2017, and it took like months to fix it. So I really didn't think I was going to be able to come here so soon. Like, I only have like a month here in Italy, so I mean, only a month, right? Yeah. But it was coming to the end of it though. So this is basically a treat for me right now. Very nice. Turns out I got the red wine. This is what a glass is for €2. Very nice. You know, it's pretty sweet. All right, well, I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm basically on an empty stomach, so hopefully it doesn't mess me up. The volcano's either steaming or it's disrupting a rain cloud. Around my second time because I want to spend like 30 more minutes here, but the place is covered in water. That's pretty cool. Really, once you get up to the crater, it's a pretty short trail. And that is Pompeii all the way. I mean, that is Naples all the way down there. Alright, basically gonna go. See what I mean? If you know Hungarian, just heard Hungarian. There's a ton of Hungarian tourists. I didn't even realize they're like a small population of like Europe, but well, not that surprised. There's a thing like one of the largest immigrants to like southern Italy is Romania, so that's kind of close by as well. Interesting. Cool view. All right, well, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go find a bus, maybe. Hopefully I'm not late to a bus. Yep.
Oh, look at you guys.
I did good. I did so good.